Saraswati Shishukunj Phagwala Borsad, English medium, standard 4th subject maths. As you all know that we had started the chapter number 8, cards and wheels. Even we had revised the definitions, right? So just let's take a look of the definitions now. We will see the 4 definitions. The first definition will be of line segment, second will be circle, third radius and fourth diameter. Okay, so let's see. So the first definition, line segment is a line having 2 endpoints is called a line segment. Here you can see that AB is a line segment, right? I drawn a line, it's having both the endpoints, right? On the both end it has endpoint it is. So that's why it is said as a line segment. Second definition, circle. The set of all points are at same distance. Look, these are the set of the points. Okay, so they are at a same distance from a fixed point. From a fixed point is called a circle. The fixed point is called the center of a circle. This fixed point is called as a center of a circle. Okay. Third definition, radius. The distance between the center of a circle to the point on the circle. Okay. The distance between the center of a circle to the point on the circle is called a radius. Here OP is a radius. Okay. Fourth definition, diameter. The line segment which passes. Here you can see that line segment is passing, right, through the center of a circle. It's passing through the center of a circle having both its end point on a circle. Its both end point should be on a circle. Okay, is called a diameter. Here AB line segment is called a diameter. Okay, now let's see how to draw a circle using compass. How to draw a circle? To draw a circle we have to use a compass. Compass has 2 arms. One arm is a metal arm and the second arm is called a pencil arm, which is connected by a hinge. Okay, we have to go step by step to draw a circle. Our step 1 is to arrange the pencil in a pencil arm. Okay, arrange the pencil in a pencil arm in a such way that the point of a metal arm and the point of a pencil arm should be equal. Okay, you can see here it should be equal. Then the step 2 is take a mark of a 0 from the ruler. Okay, open the compass and to make a mark from a ruler. After that, hold the compass from the knob part and just firmly rotate your pencil arm portion. You will get your circle as you can see here, right? So in this way we have to draw a circle. Now let's see the exercise. Exercise heading is draw a circle as per the measure of radius given below using a compass. You can see here I had written the measurement of the radius. Okay, in the number 1 it is 5 centimeter. So first what we will do, we will measure the radius, okay, with scale. So you can see here with the scale 0 is here, fine. So I am keeping a point 0 here and at 5. Okay, so you can see that 2 dashes from 0 to 5 I had done. So now you have to take the measure of compass now. You can see the compass I have. I am going to use this to draw on board. The tip I will keep it here and then other chalk arm is here. So I will make it. You can see, right? It is exactly 5 centimeter now. So now we will keep this tip in the middle to fix it. You have a metal arm instead of this. Fine. So we will keep here and then hold it from upper side which is called as knob and then just rotate your pencil arm to draw a circle. Here you will get your circle in a this way. So you can see the point, right, center. We will draw the radius and it is exactly 5 centimeter. We will give the name O and here P and we will write 5 centimeter. Clear everyone? Now let's draw with 6.5 centimeter. Okay, 6.5 means between 6 and 5 you will have a big dash over here, right? You are having total 9 dashes in between. Over there it will be there little bit big dash. So up to there you have to consider it. So again we will take the measure of 6.5 with the scale. See that we had taken the measure, right? 6.5 centimeter. Now let's arrange compass. Is it okay now? Then after that draw the circle. Here we got the circle, right? So we will mark the point, center point. Now let's draw the radius line segment. .5 centimeter. Same way, now we will mark for 7 centimeter. Then we have to arrange compass. Now let's arrange compass of 7 centimeter radius. Done. So as you can see we got the circle, right? So let's write and draw the line segment now. Let's draw the line segment. I hope now it is clear for you that how to draw the circle with measure of radius using a compass. Okay, do your worksheet well and don't forget to send me. Thank you.